Bitch, I'ma kill you for laughing, kill you for smacking. You look like a crackhead, that's why I crack heads. Smoking a lot of weed, sniffing cocaine till my nose bleeds. Hit the streets with black tree, drinking black tea. Put your pee in your knee with your goatee. I'm so high, don't know why my tears are coming and I start to cry. I see the visions of my own death, I don't wanna die, no lie. Popping different kind of pills after watching Devour Purple Hills. I thought it's purple pills, yeah, only uncensored versions. Plus I fuck virgins, even though they all look like penguins. Reading scary stories of grins. The year 2014 people became all stupid. More stupid than Team Rocket from Pokemon. Skin devil brains in the chronic, are you demons? A fucking digital DJ man, like a mighty zombie. Chopping motherfuckers off acting goofy. You don't deserve the street cat. Pop, kill, drill, thrill. You fucking chicken head, you dead. Give me your freshest breast, give me your rotten flesh. You chronic.
Yo, what up?
You know what they call me? They call me the Reaper of the Dead. You can fuck me, stop me or kill me, cause I'm already dead. Like a walking dead zombie. Moreno brains again, the chronic are so sick. Why? Cause we let Enrix and bitches sucking our dicks. You can't fuck me, stop me or kill me, cause I'm already dead. Like a walking dead zombie. Moreno brains again, the chronic are so sick. Why? Cause we let Enrix and bitches sucking our dicks. Come on, chronic.
Motherfuckers be afraid and shoot. Let me introduce my left and right hook. Pussy rappers nowadays really suck. I'm like Nick Ass and Nephrazilla, motherfucker. I'll knock you out with an uppercut. I'm gonna crush your bones, beat you up, your face is full of blood. Bitches keep tickling on my nuts. Slaughter nation, mission, murder operation. We fight us right to the top. What the fuck? I'll show you what I got. Wanna beef, motherfucker? Wish you good luck. You getting humbled every time you hear me mock. I might turn into a demon at midnight 12 o'clock. This shit is serious, don't even try to act funny. Get the fuck away, I don't need your fucking money. I spit in your mouth wide cause you look like a stupid monkey. No joke, you remind me of Bugs Bunny. This is our territory, they call it the Death Valley. I strangle you, breathe, motherfucker, breathe. You slowly lose oxygen, switching my position, you know what I mean. Ganja is my medicine, I don't need no extra drink. Always hyperactive like I was under amphetamine. I got murder instinct, I'm full of adrenaline.
You can't fuck me, stop me or kill me, cause I'm already dead. Like a walking dead zombie. Moreno brains again, the chronic are so sick. Why? Cause we let Enrix and bitches sucking our dicks. You can't fuck me, stop me or kill me, cause I'm already dead. Like a walking dead zombie. Moreno brains again, the chronic are so sick. Why? Cause we let Enrix and bitches sucking our dicks. Come on, brainsick.
Hi, I'm brainsick and who the fuck are you? What, you wanna diss me? I diss you too. I'm a nice gangster with your shitty blood on my shoe. Fuck it, how should I explain? I'm just a psycho, follow the voices in my brain. And I can hear them saying to kill Lil Wayne. Strangulation with his own chain. Yeah, motherfucking homo, enjoy the pain. Cause rapping on techno beats and to kiss a man is the biggest shame in the rap game. Yeah, there's still a lot of snitches and a lot of hoes. In this rap industry they don't really know how it goes. Watch out, Slaughter Nation, still gangster from head to the toes. We are chilling and cheating for your fake fame. Cause we in love with the only princess, Mary Jane. Yes sir, we put weed in the system. Slaughter Nation gonna fucking destroy your existence. Then right nigga, now listen. You like it doggy, you like it froggy, choose your fucking position. After killing you, I'm gonna smoke bong in the kitchen. This is gangster rap, thug life, aggressive and wild. I'm a danger monster, save your wife and your child. I'm gonna shit for a dinner by candlelight. Brains can be darker than the darkest night. Still brain damage cause I love to fight.
You can fuck me, stop me or kill me, cause I'm already dead. Like a walking dead zombie. Moreno brains and the chronic are so sick. Why? Cause we letting Rex and bitches sucking our dicks. You can't fuck me, stop me or kill me, cause I'm already dead. Like a walking dead zombie. Moreno brains and the chronic are so sick. Why? Cause we letting Rex and bitches sucking our dicks.